In this video, I'll show you how to apply one or more tags to your records. Here in our production environment, we use tags on the account entity, contacts, leads, and projects. On each of those forms, you'll see this tags drop-down box, and applying a tag couldn't be simpler. Just select the one you want, and you can select as many as you want. And notice as you make those selections, the list gets smaller. So if this customer is interested in managed services and Dynamics 365, and we want to put them on our holiday list, we can do all of that. In upcoming videos, I'll show you how to do this on multiple records at once, and then I'll show you how we can use these tags in views and possibly even marketing lists. If you'd like to learn more about our P2 Tags module, reach out to us today at www.p2automation.com. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel.